Ah, Belgium. This small country packs a big punch. From medieval cities to modern marvels, Belgium is a delight to explore. Let's dive right in. Our journey begins with the Belgian flag waving proudly. Three vertical stripes, black, yellow and red, represent the nation's history and values. Black symbolizes strength, yellow represents prosperity, and red signifies courage. These colors are a constant reminder of Belgium's rich tapestry. Brussels, the capital of Belgium, is a fascinating mix of old and new. The city is home to the European Union, giving it a distinctly international vibe. But Brussels is also a city with a playful side, best seen in its love of comic strips. Wander through the Comic Strip Center, a museum dedicated to the art form. You'll find original drawings, exhibits on famous Belgian comic characters like Tintin and the Smurfs, and a shop overflowing with graphic novels. Don't miss the comic strip murals scattered throughout the city, adding a splash of color to the urban landscape. Next stop, Antwerp. This port city on the River Scheldt is a captivating blend of history, art, and commerce. Antwerp's diamond district sparkles with the promise of luxury. Visit the Diamond Museum to learn about the fascinating journey of these precious stones. Marvel at the Gothic grandeur of the Cathedral of Our Lady, its towering spire a defining feature of the Antwerp skyline. Step inside to admire masterpieces by Flemish masters, including Rubens. For a taste of modern architecture, head to the Meuse Museum. This unique building, stacked like giant Lego blocks, offers panoramic city views and fascinating exhibits on Antwerp's history. Ghent, with its canals and cobblestone streets, transports you back in time. Visit the imposing Gravensteen Castle, a medieval fortress that once housed the Counts of Flanders. Another must-see is St. Bavo's Cathedral, home to the Ghent altarpiece, also known as the Adoration of the Mystic Lamb. This masterpiece by the Van Eyck brothers is a highlight of Flemish art. Our final stop is Dinant, a charming town nestled along the Meuse River. Dominated by a dramatic citadel perched on a cliff, Dinant is a sight to behold. This picturesque town is also the birthplace of Adolphe Sax, inventor of the saxophone. Look for the saxophone-themed sculptures and decorations that pay tribute to this musical legend. Belgium, with its fascinating history, vibrant culture and delicious food, is a country that will capture your heart. So pack your bags and get ready to experience the best of Belgium.